this video, I will quickly and easily explain you what so-called trend channels are and how you can use them in crypto trading. First, let's get into the theory. So here we can see up and downward channels. So in an uptrend channel, we can see we have a lower line and an upper line. It's characterized by higher lows. We can see down here when it touches the lower line, and higher highs when it touches the upper line. Same goes for a down channel. We can see lower highs when it touches the upper line and lower lows whenever it touches the lower line. So we can easily find them during bull and bear markets, these up and down channels. And how we can use them is we basically try to open long positions in an up channel whenever the bottom line is reached. For example, at this point, we could set a long position. So we're speculating on a price move upwards and could set a stop loss where we can limit our risk in case the trend channel is invalidated. And same goes for a downward channel. We could place, for example, a short position at the upper line and speculate on a price move downwards. So if you look at the price chart of Bitcoin, you can easily find many of these. You could find, for example, a down channel in here. You can find an up channel in, let's say, from here to here, for example. So if you look around in the chart, you can find many of these different trend channels whenever the price moves, because it's very typical that the price moves in those trend channels. And then, of course, you can use them to place long positions on the lower end of such an uptrend channel. For example, at this point, or this point, you can speculate on a price move upwards, and on these, you can speculate on a price move downwards. So this is how you can use them. If you're looking for the best crypto exchange, make sure to check out the links in the video description. I've linked you all the best crypto exchanges there, where you will always get the best sign-up bonus possible. And if you have any more questions, feel free to ask them in the comments.